and Luka Doncic. And the Mavericks with a 2-1 lead, looking to
Didn't switch Zubats onto him until the second.
how this team is catapulted into game of the series. Doncic going at Harden. Harden doing a good job battling him, but then he picked up quick fouls and was a non-factor, only 7 points. Gafford gets the pass down low. You feel so bad for Kawhi Leonard. Here's one of the great players in the game as Doncic banks. It's good to see Paul George back in the playoffs. Doncic, banks shot is good. Doncic at the line.
Offense in the league.
Up short. That's the first thing that the Mavs fans, that's something to cheer about. Alley-oop.
And finish at the rim like he used to. So that midi is big time important.
20 points in 14 minutes. Kyrie Irving answers. Doncic, as we're under a minute to go here in a wild second quarter. Doncic to Lively. Doncic inside the arc. That's good.
Game 3.
Doncic doubled. Jones again goes inside. Layup is good.
Because we have seen it called or not called so many different ways. In the Heat with Haywood Highsmith, where he went outside of his airspace.
Trying to clarify that because there's so many of them, JJ, as you say, every game. And Doncic knocks down. Jones a three, puts it in. Doncic has Plumlee on him. Coffee in pursuit. Feet inside, give and go. Oh, what a two. They leave him open. Shot clock at 7. Offensive foul on Paul George.
He's going to guess right here. He's anticipating a little push off with the left arm. That's 2 offensive fouls. I thought that was really close.
Doncic, the floater up for the Clippers right now. Back up by 11. Doncic kicks it out in the corner. Derrick Jones hits a 3. Fouls. Step back 3. Tie game. Doncic back up top to Irving. 3-pointer. Puts it in.
Basketball, he was behind the backboard. Just in
free throws here for Doncic. And he gets them, but not a 3. But Doncic dribbles right, now gets off, chase down, and lays it up and in.